Hello and welcome. My name is Todderbert. If you enjoy reviews, comparisons, shootouts of new and classic portable radios, plus do-it-yourself kits, then please subscribe so you don't miss any future video. Together we'll explore all types of portable radios, from the smallest of small to the largest of large, and all in between. Here, let's see, we have some shortwave capable radios, emergency radios, inexpensive radios from China, some vintage radios I find and purchase, along with some hidden gems once in a while, crystal radio kits, AM radio kits that we'll build together, and along the back wall here you see some bigger radios which I use to find AM distant stations. So if you don't want to miss any of these videos, make sure to subscribe today.